Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, this video I will show you I just added a dial level update on our real-time report. So as you can see, okay, if I set to per campaign, I can set dial level. No, wait, I need to revalidate. Okay, so after uh okay, okay. So as you can see, go to real time. So there's no real time here, so I just update my code. Okay, so from here, I can set, as you can see, my dial level is 10. So if I set this one, oops, it's something wrong. Wait, let me double check. Yeah, it's already one. Okay, if I set to pip 17, yeah, 17. Okay, if I set the reset, it will goes to, okay, I think something wrong. Yeah, it's going to 1. Okay, I have some issue on my internet, so it's so like this. So if I try to create another campaign, oh, okay, if I add a campaign, S12 campaign, okay, and then dial method should be on ratio. Okay. My internet so sucks. Okay. And then if I refresh my page, so you can see what is the dial level right now. So should be 1 and 1.0. Okay, so if I set this one to 12, okay. Uh, it was 6, so if I refresh here, so it's 11. I'm not sure what I set. Oh, if I set all the campaign to 10, okay. And if I check over here, so all campaign should be on dial level 10. And then if I set only the test and set to 8, okay. And then if I press the here, sorry for the issue. Okay, so it looks like double level 8. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our video. If you want this, so don't forget to like and share so that we can able to finance our development. Okay, thank you guys, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe on our video so that you're always updated on our latest video. Thank you guys, and have a nice day. This is a fucking crazy video. Thank you.